Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TimeIT Investor. Today is 18th of March. So yesterday I didn't get a chance to create a video. That's why I'm creating today morning, which is a pre-market analysis video for Nifty. Okay. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे screen पे. Okay. So my thought process is all written over it. So crude is still up. Okay. And for the past 2 days, okay, Nifty is rising. Okay, and most prominently due to the expiry weekly expiry which we had yesterday. Okay, कल expiry थी, ठीक है, तो I think somehow the Nifty is going into the relief rally mode. Okay, that's what I foresee. So bigger question today is that will this short covering will continue today? Okay, almost 2 हफ्ते से निफ्टी नीचे गिर ही रहा है. Okay, if you see like post war almost 3000 points Nifty has fallen. Okay, so almost 3000 पॉइंट नीचे गिरा है दोस्तों. So थोड़ा तो शॉर्ट कवरिंग एक्सपेक्टेशन है. Okay, but bigger question is that how long, कितनी देर तक है, because global scenarios are not that good. We will quickly cover that. Okay, so let's move ahead with the pre-market checklist. Okay, so let me walk you through it. So if you see, Dow Jones is almost neutral, but we also have a rate cut decision today. Okay, rate cut decision which will be released in the evening. I'm not expecting much of the surprise over here due to war condition. Inflation is up, which can lead to a negative influence on the rate cut. Okay, so gold surprisingly is holding still. Okay, Brent oil is around $102.77. Okay, so almost 1% drop, but still it's above 100. Then crude oil WTI is around $94.5. Gift Nifty you can see is mildly positive, almost 100 points gap up. We can expect. Then USD INR is still not good, so it's 92.38. So not good for Indian economy. If you see the ADR, okay, so ICICI Bank ADR is mildly positive. Then SDFC Bank ADR is 1% negative. Infosys ADR is 1% negative. So I think we are having a mixed clue over here on the global market. So I think mostly market can take a breather today and can be range bound. Okay. So considering the global scenario, okay, but we don't know, guys. Okay, what has happened in the war? Okay, in the overnight. If something worst has happened, then we can also see the jitter in our Indian market for the same. Okay, now let's quickly move ahead with the checks exactly how Nifty performed yesterday. So this is the heat map which I'm showcasing it over here. Okay, so we can see that Eternal was a top gainer, then Tata Steel, M&M, SDFC. So if you see at over here, okay, mainly the metal stocks contributed in rally. You can see over here, and M&M was a winner in automotive domain, and Larsen Turbo, I think since it has been falling almost 7 to 8% from couple of days, it is a relief rally because these are the heavyweight stock, guys. If it is falling by another 5% or 8%, it become a good attractive valuation for all the retail investor as well as institutional investor to invest in. So that's what I'm seeing over here. Since some of the good stocks we are getting at a good valuation, this is the cherry picking which has been done by the retail investor as well as the institutional investor. So one thing which is interesting over here, I see that FMCG is not participating in this relief rally. Okay, so ITC, Tata Consumer, HUL. So that is something which is worrying me as well, because generally these are the defensive bet during the war condition. So they should perform. So I will try to do the detail analysis to check what exactly is happening at the stock level. All right. So let's quickly move ahead to the analysis. Okay. So price action analysis. So what is different today, guys, over here? Okay. Instead of 9 EMA, okay, today I have plotted 50 EMA over here. Okay, now you will ask why I'm plotting 50 EMA over here. मैं 50 EMA यहाँ पे क्यों प्लॉट कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मार्केट जब अप ट्रेंड में है यहाँ पे, Okay, so this 50 EMA, which is coming around 23,735, suddenly become a strong resistance. Okay, so if it breaches 23,735, which is above 50 EMA, okay, then we will see a bullish momentum which can continue towards the next resistance, which is 24,250. Okay, that's why today I'm plotting it on 50 EMA, because if you see 50 EMA, it is respecting the 50 EMA level. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so the moment if it breaches, okay, so the next target we can target is around 24,250. Okay, and this will be the stop loss for my open position as well. Okay, so let's see, guys, where the market will open and where the market will go. Okay, so if it breaks below 23,250 today, then again we are in the bear zone. Okay, so that's the analysis for Nifty 50. Okay, and moving to Bank Nifty, same thing I did for the Bank Nifty as well, guys. You can see that 50 EMA is around 55,500. Okay, if it market closes above this level, then we will enter into the bullish territory. Next target will be 57,500. So it's more promising for Bank Nifty to breach the 50 EMA, because even the wartime impact will not be immediate on the banking sector. Okay, so until unless war is prolonged. Okay, so I think SDFC Bank will be a good buy considering the current level it's trading, and most of the institutional investor will also start pouring money, because it's like it is being said, it's too big to fail. Okay, so that's what I foresee. So let's see how well market will perform today. If it fails to break 55,500, then it will again come back to our this level of around 54,000. Okay, so please be cautious and check the market volatility. All right. Okay, so let's move ahead. So open interest. So what open interest tells us that, guys, that a PCR is around 1.16. Okay, we are in the neutral zone. We are having a strong resistance at around 24,000. Okay, and we have strong support of around 23,500. Okay, so this is a range. Okay, which I'm expecting for today. So mostly I think market today will try to remain range bound. That's the expectation, because we had a very eventful event, unless any new breaking news comes in on war front. Okay, but overall, if you see the macro scenario, guys, okay, I can go by. If you see the macro scenario over here, okay, so this is not supporting our market. Okay, especially USD, INR, and oil prices. Okay, so eventually I think we will go down 23,000. Okay, eventually, but when, that is something which is a question which we need to wait for and check. All right. Okay, so this is open interest. In terms of FII data, we can see that FII has continued to sell. They have sold 4,741 crores. DI has bought 5,225 crore. So nothing much change over here. You can see starting 26th Feb. Okay, there has been continuous selling by FII, and this will continue to happen till rupee recovers. Okay, and oil prices comes down, because we are importing 90% of crude oil, guys. Okay, so impact will be there. It's just a matter of time. If this war prolonged, maybe for another month, then I think we will be in trouble. Okay, that's my perspective. Okay, so moving to my current open position. So yesterday, my we were in loss of 1,200 something. Okay, for my Nifty position as well as Bank Nifty. So I'm maintaining my current ratio spread like this. Okay, so this level is around 24,200. Okay, so based upon today's 50 EMA, okay, my stop loss will be 23,750. Okay, so as we reach near the stop loss, okay, so my strategy or my thought process that the moment I am moving to the profitable position, I will exit it. Okay, so let's see if it still holds. Okay, if not, then we will book the loss because I think I need to check whether we have a holiday on Friday due to Gudi Padwa for the market. If there's a holiday, yes, then I think today will be the day to close all the position for me. Okay, so let's see how thing goes. So if you are new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so let me take you to our channel page. So this is our channel page. Yeah. Okay, so in case you are first time to my channel, you can see this is our channel page. Okay, here we are posting different educational videos. Please do check out this video. This is critical now in today's scenario, how to diversify your investment. Okay, for the consistent passive income. Okay, if you like my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you tomorrow in the morning. Thank you very much.